Hi, this is Tamiya Ninja. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a short and quick review of Tamiya Max Breaker XX-13 Violet Special. Max Breaker is one of my favorite kit when I was a kid during 90s. The first Max Breaker model as I remember are the white one with bigger flat spoiler with old version Super X chassis. This is one of the best kit during high-speed race in 90s. Anyway, about this kit. Tamiya Max Breaker Violet Special is Aero Mini 4-wheel drive series. Model 92261. It was released around December 2013. Kit base is the Max Breaker TRF. Again, this is Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Max Breaker XX-13 Violet Special. Aero Mini 4-wheel drive limited edition. This is a special color version of the Max Breaker TRF. It features a striking color scheme consisting of rose pink and violet parts. And runs on the durable and adaptable Super XX chassis. Let's start. We will start with the body. The body design is aero, flat, low drag, front open wheel body design. The body kit is based on Max Breaker TRF mold. And it is rose pink color made of ABS. The Super XX chassis is a reinforced version of Super X chassis. It's violet color ABS plastic. With the tail matches the color. And also match the color of gearbox and nose guard. Now let's proceed to large diameter violet wheels. With the pink large diameter low profile rose pink tires with lettering marked of limited edition Super XX chassis. It's very nice tire. The internal parts are made up of stock Mabuchi single-shaft motor. 72mm hexagonal shaft long wheel shaft for Super X and XX chassis. Longer profiler shaft. Grease. With 4:1 gear the black and brown gear. And orange crown gear. Gear shaft. Also with pinoing gear. And 14mm purple plastic rollers with o-ring. The sticker decals is combination of blue, white, pink and yellow that makes the body stunning beautiful. Instructions are also available. Its box design is a beautiful girly type. Combination of white box with violet purple pink design kit. Arrow series or mark on the side. Let's make a short recap. This is the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Arrow Serial Model 92261. TRF Rose Pink version cowl. Super XX Violet chassis. Large pink diameter wheels with special marking pink large low-profile tires. Highly collectible Super XX kit. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you enjoy watching. Okay, don't forget to click like and subscribe button. Also click the bell for update notifications. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.